जैसा कि अभी माननीय मंत्री जी ने बताया कि अपनी भारत में टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री का जो एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट हिस्सा है वो हैंडलूम सेक्टर है। हैंडलूम सेक्टर फैब्रिक प्रोडक्शन को तो कंट्रीब्यूट करती है, लेकिन हैंडलूम इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर इंडियन आर्ट एंड ट्रेडिशन ऑल्सो। तो उसका प्रिजर्वेशन एंड कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ हैंडलूम सेक्टर इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम अ कल्चरल हेरिटेज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। और बहुत सारी स्कीम्स हम चाहते हैं कि the focus is to integrate the entire value chain, right from the fiber till the designing of the last garment and the wearer also. We want to link and contribute to each segment of the handloom sector to see that it becomes a win-win situation for everyone, and it brings out the best that we have in the handloom sector at the global level. We have a lot of schemes working both for the workers as well as for the work, as well as to promote overall how to facilitate the loans, how to facilitate the credit system for the weavers, how to ensure that his comfort level for the yarn is there. We have a very important scheme, Hank Yarn scheme, where the spinners are supposed to contribute 40% in the form of Hank Yarn to help the handloom weaver. We also have mega to bring in the economies of the scale. 6 mega clusters have been announced, and one has been announced in this year's budget also. We have about 20 large sized clusters and almost about more than 600 small clusters are there. So it is not that that strength is not there, but we have to see that its continuation and preservation, which is a challenge before the country, that we all contribute to see that handloom, with its handloom mark, with its branding, with its large scale and with its, the special quality, what hand can weave, machine cannot do that. That quality I think we need to preserve, continue and sell it to the best of India's tradition. Thank you.
एक सवाल है मंत्री